So this is lecture 2. Okay, again, I am going to talk about research topic. Okay, so again, that is the continuation of lecture 1. In lecture 1, we talked about how to choose the article. So again, on the way to develop the research article, you have to be able to categorize your topic. There are basically two mains of topic that you can choose from. Number 1, argumentative, and number 2, problem solution. So what are the features of argumentative or problem solution topics? Okay? So for an argumentative, you always discuss different points of opinion, different points of view. All right. For example, some of the people say final exam is good. Some of the people say final exam is bad. So if you read many different articles, then you can put all the advantages of the final exam, and then you can also group all the disadvantages of the final exam, and then you can come to a conclusion. Final conclusion, it is your choice. It is actually your opinion. Based on what you read, do you think final exam is advantages or disadvantages? Okay? Or for example, about advantages or disadvantages of watching TV. Again, there would be many different attitudes. Some of the people say watching TV helps with learning. Or for example, another article says that when people watch TV, they are more relaxed. But then another article says that, for example, the rate of crime was increased among those people who watch TV. Then, as a researcher, when you read different articles that they actually have different opinions on watching TV, you come and you discuss the positive points and the negative points, and finally you come to a conclusion. But sometimes some of the topics cannot be argumentative. For example, bullying. Nobody can talk about the advantages or the positive aspects of bullying. Everybody agrees that bullying is a problem. Bullying is a social issue. Now, when you look at bullying as a social issue, then you are going to look for solution. So as a researcher, your aim, your objective is to find the problems. The problems can be the causes or the effects. And after you find the problems, then you are going to discuss the solutions of bullying. So for example, here, bullying is caused by ABC, bullying effects are ABC, and then the solutions for the causes. How do we stop the causes? How do we stop the effects? Or maybe you only want to look at the causes. Maybe you only want to look at the effects. They are both okay. Now, maybe when you are looking at bullying as a problem, maybe when you are talking about the solutions, then you can find that there are different solutions. Some of the people say that bullies must be fired from work. They must be fired from a school. Okay, some of the people say no, they are like sick people. They have to be treated. Again, this can be a very good argumentative topic because you can look at different opinions on how to punish, how to deal with bullying. So depending on how you look at it. Okay, for example, obesity. Then when I choose the topic of obesity, obesity is an issue. Yes, it is a serious social issue. All right. So am I interested in it? Yes, I would like to do research on obesity. But then is it narrow or is it too broad? Obesity is too broad because there are different aspects of obesity. So I would narrow it down to obesity among children. Now, please, everybody, now remember that I am referring to lecture 1. After I narrow it down, then I have to categorize. Do I want to do an argumentative topic, or do I want to choose a problem solution topic? So, for example, the role of parents in their children's obesity. So, are parents responsible in their children's obesity? Okay, so here, in this way, it is going to be an argumentative topic. Okay, I am going to talk about different attitudes about the role of parents. Some of the people say parents are responsible because of this, this, and this. Some of the people say no, parents are not responsible. So this is going to be an argumentative topic. Or I can look at it as a social issue and solutions. Then I can look at the causes of children's obesity and how to solve this issue. So please everybody, again, one more time, you have to think, you have to do some research, you have to read articles for the topic, for the theme that you have in mind. If you are going to do research on obesity, one more time, you have to read articles, and then based on the articles that you have, you can decide how to narrow it down, and then either to choose a problem solution or an argumentative topic. Okay, everyone, so that was the second lecture. Have a good time.